Tevye said. More poverty, more living hand to mouth. More of the two of us running and fighting the universe and trying to make it through one more day. When I wanted, she smiled suddenly. Smile faded. I've tried and tried and tried. Every time I get a foothold somewhere, Think manages to find something wrong with the job. Either it doesn't pay like it should, or the boss is rude, or the jobs I'm getting are menial or insulting, or my coworkers drink their soup too loudly. There's always something. Perhaps also sometimes a series of uncertainty. And all the while, Lando is driving.
Alright, so there it is. It's not 100% perfect. Really all I wanted to do was put all my drill bits and some of my pen turning stuff in here, my pen blank stuff. This is just scrap melamine I wanted to use up, and I wanted to see if I'd like to have, not really a cabinet, but storage at the drill press like this. I was going to add drawers, but after thinking about it, hopefully in a couple months I'm going to get a full-size standing drill press, so it would have been a lot of work for nothing, so I just went ahead and didn't do it. Plus I didn't have enough scraps laying around to make all the drawers. So I mean it works. I've got larger drill bits here, they're just spares, high-speed drill bits, titanium ones. This is more metal drill bits. These are for all my pen blanks, and then this is for drilling into the pen blanks. Those are extra Forstner bits. These are just random drill bits that I have, some Forstners and some garbage ones. It works. I think it should be fine. If not, it's about 2 hours wasted, but I think it should do the trick. So like I said, this is all just scraps I had laying around. They're all miscellaneous sizes. So I made it a little too tall. I probably should have made it about 4 inches shorter. But it works. The only difficult part is getting to the lever to raise and lower it. But I don't know, we'll see what happens. But so I'd share it with you guys. Figured why not? It's pretty basic, but it might give somebody some ideas. Thanks for watching.